It's Mini-Me Day. It's Mini-Me Day. 2 weeks before Halloween, and all I've done is Christmas for 2 weeks today. Oh man, that was really off. So I did look at the email, so I do kind of know what's in here. And on my nails, I used this Glisten and Glow 7 Days of Surprises. This was an advent calendar. I don't even know how many years ago, 4 or 5. It's really pretty, but it's kind of streaky, and I didn't do a very good job painting my nails. Was kind of in a hurry, but anyway, I just wanted something basic and white kind of to put down to stamp, because I knew that we had like a red and a green. So this is November's Mani by Me box. Like, they're very consistent, and I really appreciate that they do at least a month ahead of a holiday so that you have time to get it and play with it and use it. And I think that's amazing that they do it that way. All right, I'm not going to read all this, but essentially it's tinsel trinkets is what they've named this. We have MXM 163, which is twinkling trinkets, hand-drawn patterns, and Dainty Delights MXM 164 had some layering elements. The polishes are Poinsettia B568 and Wintergreen B569. Early access polishes. Again, they're not really saying that the plates are going to be released, but I think at a later date, ones that are left over, they are releasing those plates. So it just depends on if it sells out or not, I think. Okay. And then to complete the look, we have a rose gold detail brush. So love that. So we can paint in different designs. We can color in. Oh, that is really cute. I like what they did there. Whimsical Winter, and it also gives you step-by-step instructions. Now doing these are kind of a pain in the butt, because you got to pick up that one stamp and pick out all the ones that you want a different color, and then stamp that, and then go back through, pick it up again and with another color, and pick out all those, and then stamp that. You absolutely need to make sure you're using a sticky base on your nails between each one, because you don't want to do all that work and then, oh, sorry, had a call, interrupted there. Here is the detail brush, and I know we had the sticker last year too. It's very cute, Holly Jolly. And we have plates and polishes, and I'm going to get it all out and we're going to take a look. Ooh, that is really pretty. Now, generally, the sparkles don't show up so much when you stamp, but when you paint your nail with it, it probably will. Hopefully that is not a bleeder. I fear for the red sometimes. Oh, and that is really pretty. It has like a shimmery shift to it. Okay, the polish is more of a cream, I guess. The shimmer, when they put a little bit of shimmer in it, sometimes it just sticks to the bottle on the inside and it looks like the polish is very shimmery, but generally it's not. That's all right. That's pretty. I like that. And that color is going to be perfect for both. And that looks like a very nice detail brush. Never mad at getting detail brushes, except when the lids don't sit on the back. Ooh, see, that makes me mad. Sorry, these calls that I keep getting really put me in a bad mood. It's like yesterday I got 8 calls about car insurance. 8 calls. Now it's Medicare. No, I don't even have Medicare, and take me off your list. I don't know how I got on there. I always start in on these and don't even say anything. Some people maybe don't know. This is this Mini by Me box is a monthly subscription box, and it's roughly 30 bucks a month, and you get 2 plates that are generally exclusive. Again, I'm not sure what they've done about that, and 2 polishes, and then, you know, something nail art related, some stickers, or like nail art stickers, or brushes, cleanup brushes, detail brushes. They've always got something going on. The first time you buy this box, you get a stamper. And now that's not every month. You don't get a stamper every month. That's only the very first time that if you join the Mani by Me. I have a discount code to save 10% at Maniology. It's Guyline325. But that does not apply to the box. But there's also an express box there where you can get just the plates and the extra, which would be the detail brush, not the polishes. And that is a little cheaper, but I don't remember. I think it's about $22, $18, $20 right now. I'm not sure. And that, I don't know if they ship outside of US and Canada unless you buy just the express box. I'm not sure about that either. They do send me a box to show you guys, and I really appreciate that. But I do also purchase a box to give away. So if you want to be entered to win this box, you do need to be from the United States. Write something down below that you want entered, that you're not getting this already and you want to be entered. You have to hit the subscribe and hit that bell, because if I pick your name and you don't get back with me, then I've got 2 over here in a pile that I'm just gonna give away to whoever I want. Otherwise, I do a random draw, okay? And you need to be watching. I will put the winner of last month's in here. And this person needs to contact me at Guyline325@hotmail.com to claim your prize. Also, I'm on Instagram. I'm not as quick. It may take me a few days, but you can message me on Instagram too, Guyline325. YouTube, for some reason, I don't get the messages. I never see them unless it's, you know, in like a video comment. I read all of those. All right, let's check these out. All right, get zoomed out, get my face out of here. Here is the first plate. These are really, really cute. Oh, this is kind of given the old style, like Bundle Monster images. Hand drawn. I mean, I can't draw that good. I could maybe do that star. Maybe the heart. Those are really pretty. Very sweet images. I love all the snowflakes. Little swirls with hearts and snowflakes. Some very simple ornaments. I think this is a very beautiful plate. And here we have MXM 164. Let It Snow. Really pretty. So there are some layer. There's a candy cane layer, a snowflake, a star. Oh, I like that. Little ornaments, a package, holly, gingerbread man, a tree, and a stocking. That's really cute. Drink up. Some Christmas trees. I mean, those are all really, really nice images. All right, let's start swatching. This is wintergreen. Get my camera to stop bouncing around. Let's go with this image. This is just a really nice sage green. Wow, that is really opaque. It looks exactly the same over white or black, so the background color doesn't affect the color that the polish is. Love that. You know that's getting an A. That is Guylene approved. Fabulous. Next we're going to try poinsettia. Poinsettia. This sparkly one. Poinsettia. I want those little ornaments. I think those are really pretty. I don't know. I was thinking this was going to be a little more red, but I think it's probably going to be pretty pink. Very sparkly. Oh, wow. So wrong about that sparkle not showing up. It looks more metallic, stamped. Oh, that is very pretty. That also gets an A+. Guylene approved. Same color over the black as it is the white. Reflection is beautiful. Both of those fabulous colors. There you can see. This one really does not have any like, well, just barely a little bit of sparkle metallic, but that one's got a lot of silver metallic. It looks really pretty. If you're new here, you can go check out my playlist. I have, and I'll put a link up here for a video and down in the description box below for a beginner tips and tricks video. Just be warned, don't take offense because I'm pretty snarky a lot of times. So, little layer on my pinky here with this little ornament. I don't want to go too wild because I really just don't have time. I've got clients coming, so. Oops, sorry. I pick up the green and then the red. So you want to do the negative space first whenever you're doing a layer. And then you're going to line that up on top of that. Really cute. I want to like just do a little garland, I guess, across the top of that. I'm just going to pick off what I don't want. I don't know, my pinky's pretty small, but I think I can get a little something across here. Oop. Caved my stamper in. And I'm going to pick up these trees with this green. Alright, so I just realized that this one needs to be given away before next month, like I usually announce the winner with the next box. So I think I'm going to do this one pretty quick. And also, as soon as I get the Advent box that I ordered to give away, I'll do both of the boxes and pick 2 winners. So be entered in and be quick because
you're not going to have much time. I think that Christmas box is already shipped to me, and I already have this one to give away.
Very happy with that. Very happy with these polishes and these plates. So I think this whole box is a really nice box, especially if you didn't get the Christmas Advent box and you need some Christmas stuff. These are beautiful. I don't have anything bad to say about this box at all. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please enter if you want to win this box. And stay tuned for a little fun video here at the end. Bye.
Now, I know you want to do it. So stop. This quick. No. Think about what you're doing. Just think about it. You don't want to attack me. You don't want to do it. De-escalation. No. Oh my gosh, why are your eyes red? No. Nope. Ow. 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 Look at the teeth marks. No. No. Arm under the blanket. There, now you can't shred my skin. Oh, now you're going to go for my face? See where you're going? I see exactly where you're looking. You're looking right at my face. Ooh. Don't do it. Just walk away. Just walk away and nobody gets hurt. Ah! Stop it. Go chase your lizards. I'm literally not doing anything to you. I'm just sitting here watching TikTok, man. Ooh. Ah! Why do you choose violence? Oh, you're choosing violence. Oh, choosing violence. Still trying to get me. Here's the aftermath. No! Shit! Get off! And here's the other hand. The other arm. Jace. Oh no. You stay away from me. Just stay away.